back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know some of you are looking for part-time jobs to fill in the gaps. I do have a part-time job for you today, processing healthcare orders. Now, one thing to note, the actual hours that they're looking for you to work are not listed, so I don't know if this is a daytime or nighttime part-time job or if it's a flexible at all, but they are looking for somebody to work 17 to 27 hours a week. Of course, we're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video, and if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please give me that feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and sharing with all your friends and family. Today's job lead is from the company Tomorrow Health. Now, Tomorrow Health only has 27 reviews on Glassdoor, so please always do your own research before giving your personal information to any of these companies. But out of those 27 reviews, they have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a part-time care advocate. This is remote for the United States only, and this is going to require like customer service phone work. You're going to be the heart of what sets them apart. You're going to manage order intake, performing internal workflows to capture and process patient orders end to end. You'll engage with patients and caregivers by doing outreach via phone, email, and other communication platforms and processing these orders. So other than interacting with the patients, you are going to order intake, prescription retrieval with providers. You'll do order confirmations with patients and providers, order status updates with suppliers and patients, and policy and eligibility clarification with insurance payers. So you are processing, it looks like, prescription orders. You're going to utilize internal resources and tools to manage multiple types of outreach simultaneously. So you're going to have to multitask, and you're going to process these orders by reviewing faxes, documentation, and prescriptions, and then processing the orders in the internal order management system. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They just want somebody who is comfortable working part-time 12 to 27 hours a week, somebody who has 1 year of experience in customer service or some kind of healthcare experience, someone who can be empathetic and collaborative, working with other people. If you are bilingual in Spanish, that is a plus, but not required. Someone who is a multitasker and proficient with using a computer, including Google Suite, Salesforce, or other CRM systems or ticketing systems, is a plus. Now, you do have to have your own internet service, and salary for this position is anywhere from $14 an hour all the way up to $16.50 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can't promise anything, but I always read those and keep that in mind, in the back of my mind, when I am out there searching for job leads to share, to see if I come across anything that you are looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.